When I was younger, I had a lot of big questions about life. What do I want to be when I grow up? Does true love exist like it does in the movies? And if so, when and where am I going to meet mine? What is life going to look like in 20, 30, and 40 years? And now that I'm older, I still have a lot of big questions about life, but I've noticed they've changed significantly. They're a lot less theoretical and a lot more practical. Should I stay at this job or look for another one? What's better? This industry or that industry? Is this even the right career for me? Should I spend all my money on this major life purchase? Is the person I'm dating the person I want to spend the rest of my life with? Sometimes I'd Google these questions, and based on the autocomplete predictions and the search results, a lot of other people were asking these big life questions as well. And to most of these questions, almost every single time, it seemed like it was the same two-word answer. It depends. Okay. Don't click away just yet. I know that it depends is a total cop-out answer, and I promise that I'm going to give you a much better one by the end of this video. Now, I think if you're asking a big life question, you might be wondering how something in the future is going to turn out. Something that's mostly out of your control. And to that, I don't have a great answer. It depends. Those questions aren't really answerable unless you can tell the future. I'm talking about a different type of big life question. One where you're essentially wondering, what should I do? What option should I pick when they both seem like equally good options? What option should I pick when they both seem like equally bad options? What is the best decision or right answer to the situation that I'm currently in? And to those types of questions, well, it does depend. It depends on who you are and what you want. The right answer for one person may not be the right answer for another. And there usually isn't one universal right answer to each question. It depends on where you are in life, what's around you, who's around you, what things are most important to you, what resources you have, what level of motivation you have, what you are and are not willing to sacrifice, what circumstances you'll face in the future. And right answers do not always stay that way forever. What might have been the right answer 2 years ago may not be the right answer now. And this might be different again in another 2 years. Now for me, when I think about all the big what should I do life questions that I've had over the past few years, it seems like they've always boiled down into one of these two themes. One, what is the right path for me? Literally, what should I do? Which way should I go? How do I make this tough choice correctly? And two, how do I know if I'm on that right path? What should I do to get back on track if I've drifted off course? What should I do if I've gotten lost? And what should I do if I found myself on the wrong path? Most of the time, it depends. Most of the time, there's usually no one right answer. If life's big questions were all black and white, it would be easy to make those decisions. But they're rarely ever just black and white. They're usually the full spectrum between the two, with every shade of gray to consider. And sometimes, the right decision is the hardest one to make. Sometimes, choosing the right path for you means giving everything up and starting over. And if you've ever had to make a really tough decision like that, you'll know that knowing what you should do and actually being able to do it are two very different things. This does not come easy or quickly. So when it comes to many of life's big what should I do questions, yes, the answer is often it depends. It depends on you, your circumstances, and what you really want. So I think a better answer to these questions is not it depends, but instead look within. The right decision or right answer for you will depend on a lot of different things, but it's up to you to determine what those things are. You need to look within in order to figure that out for yourself. And if it's a tough decision that you need to make, it's also up to you to find the resolve to make that decision. And to do that, sometimes you'll need to look deep within yourself. At the end of the day, the right answer will always depend on a lot of things, but whether you're actually able to make that answer a reality will always depend solely on you. So if you ever find yourself asking a big, what should I do life question, the answer is that it depends. And the answer is also to look within. The right decision is there within you. All of the answers you're looking for are already within you. You just need to look. Anyway, that's it for today. If this resonated with you or you found this insightful, your thumbs up is appreciated. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos on personal development and self-improvement. And let me know in the comments about a big life question or decision that you've struggled with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.